blizzard of 2010, December 26th. It's really blowing out there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to aim it at the light.
Maybe go closer to the window, put it right up to the window.
Whoa.
Can you see it, Lisa? You can hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Does that pick up the sound
Yeah.
of the wind?
I don't know. The wind is howling.
Oh, yeah, we heard, but you were outside. You were not inside. You were inside. I'm not sending you outside to do this. Although Dad might do. I could see Dad going outside and doing
Christmas tree.
He did that one time when there was a hurricane. It wasn't a blizzard. It was rain. It was a lot of wind coming in.
Trying to get the... somewhat.
Oh, let's go outside.
Mm-hmm.
Open the door. I just feel so bad for all the animals that are out there. I'm like, well, I'm sure they have shelter, but like, the birds, the squirrel,